and welcome to my new video on this channel. Hopefully you are liking my content. If you are already liking, then you can press the like button and subscribe this channel so that I can get the information about your likings and dislikings, and you can also tell about the things you wanna ask in the comment box. I will try to respond to your questions and make videos on them. Okay, today we will discuss that how to record a screen on MacBook using certain softwares or QuickTime player. Okay, with QuickTime player, what will you have to do? You will have to just go to the file, the QuickTime, basically QuickTime is one of the most popular video players across the platforms in MacBook. In addition to playing videos, it can also double as a screen recorder. Not only it provides the video playing options, but it can also work as a screen recorder. We'll show you how to start screen recording in this tutorial. For this purpose, what will you have to do? First of all, you will have to just open the quick player in your MacBook, then go to the file menu. Under the file menu, there are certain options like new movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording. You will just click on new screen recording, then a screen recording prompt would appear on your screen. Before you click the record button, what will you do? You will click on the down arrow next to the button to ensure you are set up properly. What you have to record, you will select from here. There are certain some microphone options. If you prefer to have your voice recorded, you can choose the microphone you prefer. You must have all internal and external microphone for recording. You can also loan microphones through DSC. What types of microphones they have on the website. You can order one from this store. Moreover, show mouse clicks in recording. There is an option for selecting this option. A circle will appear around the mouse cursor. When checked, the cursor will be emphasized on click with the black circle on right. When unchecked, the cursor is not emphasized. Okay, on the next step, you will click the record button. Pop-up will appear in the center of your screen. Click anywhere on the screen if you want to entire screen recorded, or you can also drag and select the screen which you want to just record, and after that you just start recording. And when you are finished recording, you just simply have to press the stop icon button. Your recording will pop up on your screen for you to review. You can go to the file menu again and save this file if you don't want to edit it or add anything in it. You can export it as renaming it, and after that you just click on the save button. Hopefully this article or the information provided in this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, then please press the like button.